Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 3rd of July, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of July, 2025, our system has classified Trump Media and Technology Group as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.27. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but currently reflects no change, standing at a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is positioned in the center of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 14% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -22% to +6%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects an approximate decline of 12%. Based on our evaluations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -66% and +120% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price anywhere between $6.44 and $41.79. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation Stock Price After Thursday Trading. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price gained 4.34% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 3rd of July, 2025, rising from 18.19 to 18.98. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 5.03%, with a day low at 18.21 and a day high of 19.12. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.21% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day along with the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with a total of 3 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 8 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $160 million and $6,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $54.68, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 65.29% or $35.70 below the 52-week high and 76.09% or $60.40 below the all-time high on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. Trump Media and Technology Group, trading under the symbol DJT, has made several significant moves recently that may influence its stock performance. The company is engaged in beta testing its global streaming service, Truth Plus, enhancing its media offerings. As interest in streaming continues to rise, this development could attract potential subscribers and drive revenue growth, positively impacting stock prices in the long term. Additionally, Trump Media announced a substantial stock buyback program worth $400 million, expected to reduce outstanding shares by approximately 10%. Such buybacks generally signal confidence in the company's financial health, potentially driving short-term stock increases as this can boost earnings per share. Despite these initiatives, DJT has faced volatility, recently falling back to its pre-merger performance levels. Observers note that this downtrend is critical, emphasizing the need for strategic execution to regain investor confidence. Furthermore, with ongoing trends like cryptocurrency adoption and potential exchange-traded fund developments related to Bitcoin, the market landscape remains dynamic for Trump Media, suggesting that the stock's future may hinge on its ability to innovate and captivate both traditional and crypto-centric investors. These factors could make DJT an intriguing option for those considering both short-term and long-term investments. analysts have issued a general sell rating for Trump Media and Technology Group's stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also assign a strong sell rating to the stock. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, June 27, 2025, and thus far, it has risen by approximately 9.08%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near-term developments. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock reflects a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Yet, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. With the long-term average positioned above the short-term average, this generates a more negative outlook for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $20.91. Conversely, if it declines, support will come from the short-term average at $17.99. A breakthrough of the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a decline below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, further reinforcing the overall negative sentiment. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 25 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 28 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 29 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 100 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 95 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $18.79, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry a high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by 92 cents between its high and low points, which represents a percentage change of 5.03. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 4.31%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies may face downturns due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios can suggest inadequate profits and may pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $21.33. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a key level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $18.79. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of June, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 8,500 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 7,567 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted another insider sale of 416 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an additional insider sale of 36,774 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. Based on the 69 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of approximately 20.283. Overall, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,945,948 shares in the last 69 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $18.19, reflecting a decline of 4.16%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which entails a higher level of risk. Currently, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 4 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation shows several positive signals. However, these are not sufficient to classify it as a strong buy at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. Our analysis has been upgraded from a sell recommendation in the last evaluation to a hold or accumulate recommendation for this stock. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 7th of July, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open lower by 212 of a dollar and begin trading at $18.77. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing your money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.